What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. This week we are doing something different. We are taking it to the Nintendoswitch, and I'm giving you guys that first tour of Poody Tang Island, the blood, sweat, and tears that went into making this island, but not really, because I'm not really a creative person. However, for not being a creative person, I'm pretty proud of how this turned out. Now, before you guys ask me why did I name this Poody Tang Island, I don't know. Why not? It just worked. So anyways, let's get started. Peep the fit. Let's start with the fit. Got the Jordan 1s on with the sports jacket. Got the matching bag. We love to see it. We're here for that fashion style. So yeah. Now to open up, I made like a little stop area. Extra DIYs if anyone wants to come and take those. The little snack machine. I love how you can actually get a snack. Like, how cute is that? I like how I opened up with the black roses and the tiki torches. What up, girl? How you doing? I'm not really sure which way to start, so I guess we're just gonna start. Let's go this way. This is a resident's house. If they're in there, I'll show you guys what the villagers' houses looks like. This is my boy Lyman. I don't really want to talk to you. I just forgot your name. This is what his place looks like. Super green and boring. We're gonna get out of there. Over here, I made a little record pop-up shop, but it just turned into like a little music instrument shop. I don't know. This terraforming, I have a love-hate relationship with it because it's so random, but it also looks really cool, so I just left it. Little painting area and picnic area on the beach. How cute. I can't stand it. I made a little apple picking spot. How cute. My little basketball court.
My name is Troy. I have a basketball game tomorrow.
Little DIY setup. I have my beach area down here, and I made a little juice bar. I made a music concert stand, whatever you want to call it. So we have all of our little instruments. Let's play this. Oh no, I didn't want to move it. Just play it. No. Oh my god. Hit the little tambourines. Oh yeah. Shred it. This table has no purpose, but I'm gonna do like a little outdoor dining area. Little tourist scope thingy. Come up the side, another little painting area. Actually, I want to go over here. So if you come up this way, this is like my forest area. It's definitely a work in progress. I made like a little lounge, the rocking chair next to a pond. How cute. A little waterfall. Come up, and I made a little fairy garden path to like a little lounge. So this path that I'm standing on, I actually used someone's creator code found it on Pinterest. So I'm gonna try and find all those, and I'm gonna link them in the description. One of the coolest things about this island that I made was, if you go to the back of this spot, I made a little secret entryway to a little rose lounge area. So cute. I love this gothic mirror. Ooh. Oh, I can change my look. I didn't even know I could do that. Well, that's cool. So I'm pretty proud of that. Little outdoor area where you could have your tea by the water. Here, I made a movie set. So they are filming Godzilla. So I put the little fake landscape prop and the little film projector. Got a little porta potty right there. Over here in the corner, I made like a little outdoor club. I definitely have to add more stuff to it, but you can see what I was trying to do. I'm so happy with this part of the island. Like, this is one of my proudest spots of the island. I made a little cafe. Look how cute it is. Who wants coffee? I'm about to brew you a cup right now. This is another spot of my island that just doesn't really make sense. I got the diffuser right here, the random Yule log on the table, but you know what? It filled up space. It looks cute, so we're just gonna rock with it. Over here, I made a little walkway with a rest stop. I really like how this came out with the waterfall in the background. This is another thing in my island that just doesn't make sense, but I just put it there to fill up space. Behind this, I got the full set for the boxing ring. If you notice around my islands, I don't know if you saw it in the beginning, but there are little random Pokeballs that I posted up all around my island, and I thought that was a brilliant idea of me, so we love it. Little park right here. Let's go down first. I made a little pop-up diner. How cute. Make some coffee. This is a little rest stop area, I guess. It's kind of random, but there's a jukebox there. Now down here, I have another area of houses. I love what I did with this one, how the colors. I'm not really a creative person, but the way that I put the colors with the house, it worked out really well. See what Portia's doing. Ooh, we got a DIY. What you making? A bamboo basket. I already know that. Her place is pretty cute though. I like the wallpaper. Everything about it. Like, look at this little, like how... Oh, let's make her some coffee. Oh, that's not the coffee machine. Yeah, you got a cup of coffee. So if we come up here, you'll notice another part of the island that doesn't really make sense, but looks cute and goes. So we just left it like a street lamp next to a lounge chair. We left it. I have a little secret beach back here. Cute. Another Pokeball. Now this is my Zen area. Pretty relaxing. I like what I did with the waterfall and the pond in front of it. I have a little outdoor spa right here that I can't even get to, but you know, looks cute. This is one of the coolest spots of my island just because I put little Pokemon all around this area. So I tried to make this like the Japanese spot of my island. I also have a Sailor Moon painting. Who wouldn't want that? I'm gonna try so hard to find the creator code for you guys if you guys want to use that for your island. Hell yeah. I have a little outdoor market right here. Got the dumplings, the ramen, the sushi. This is my really pathetic fair, carnival, whatever you want to call it. Up here, I do have a little Dia de los Muertos section, and I really love how this turned out with the waterfall. And I love it. Those are skulls on the bottom. How cool is that? I had to put the skull path in there. I really hope I can find these codes because I was so excited when I got them. This is my camp section, but it's pretty lame, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like her that much, so I didn't really do much to her space. This person's home though. How cute is this place? She's sleeping. But look at this black jacuzzi tub. Like, why can't I get that? Come on. What is that? Oh, a little piano? How cute. Are you kidding me? You have a dresser that you can't even get to because of the limited space, but you know what? It works. I'll let you continue your nap. Now, if you come this way, you will see my... Ooh, hold on. That is a present. I have to get that. What did I get? A box corner sofa. I already have one of those, but you know what? Another one sounds good. Now, if you come this way, I have a beautiful arrangement of flowers. It took a long time to do, so I hope you guys like it, but it's brilliant. 10 out of 10. I love how I put this waterfall in the back. I have my little garden of fruit trees back here. Another Pokeball. Over here, we got the cardboard box with the bonfire because we can't forget about the homeless. Then here I have my little pyramid, and I have a jail. Oh, which you can easily escape from. Yeah, so I guess it's like a little outdoor precinct, I guess, but they get a nice view of the water, you know. I treat my inmates very well. This is another hidden spot of my island, which I think is really cool, but unfortunately it is one of those spots of my island that just doesn't really make sense, but it's there, so we left it. You kind of see what I'm working with. We got the gold right there, the skeleton there. I think I eventually want to make this a little cemetery, but I haven't gotten any tombstones yet. But yeah, it's there, so we're working with it. Down here is my, oh, if I can get to it, my museum. Now, it is so boring right here, but in the back I put little waterfalls, which I'm pretty proud of. There's obviously the lobby, and in back of it, you can't really see it too well, but when you walk past it, I put like a big waterfall behind it with the flowers up top. I thought it was cute. Maybe in the future, I'll expand it out like I did with the museum. Now, in my lobby, I don't know if y'all noticed, but this beautiful flag right here, if you're wondering what it is a vagina. This is Poody Tang Island, so I had to make it for what it is, and we added a vagina flag. It just works. I'm so sorry if you're a little kid watching this. My channel is not for little kids, but this is my vagina flag. We love it. We love to see it. Hell yeah. There's so much room for activities here, but I'm gonna fill that up eventually. I made a little pop-up bakery down here So cute. This was originally a fortune telling spot, but it just turned into an antique shop. Honestly, I don't really know. Like, right? Yeah. This is another really cool area. I made a little brick oven pizza restaurant and it came out really, really well. I'm really happy with it. Like, for not really being a creative person, look how inviting this looks. A little lounge area while you wait to be seated, I guess. I don't know. Oh, look how cute this is. You can close it and you could open it. Are you kidding me? Mini contest time. If you can guess what character and the video game that this outfit comes from, who reps this outfit, it is so iconic in the video game world. If you get it right, I will Venmo you a whopping $5. I'm sorry, I'm broke, and that is all I can afford to give anyone at this time. But the first person who gets it right, I will Venmo you $5 and go. Over here, I made another little lounge area. Pretty cute. And a outdoor seating area. Little outdoor jacuzzi right here. And if you come down, I have a little lounge area in the corner, and I also made an outdoor gym. This was really cool. I like how that turned out. When the workout is too good. Honestly, me in real life, like, can't do any reps, but you just want to lay down on the bench. Yeah. Oh, I don't think we went into this house yet. How cute. This is Cookie. Now she's a pretty popular villager, I guess you would say. Her space is really cute. Like, look at it. All right, let's get out of here. Oh, sorry. She's like, did you want something? Nope, I just wanted to look at your place. Bye. All right, so that's basically the outside of my island. So I guess all that's left to show you is my house. So I guess we'll take the back way. This, I made a little garden area, I guess, but this is where I keep my nips. And this be the crib. We're gonna go inside now. Welcome to another episode of MTV Cribs. I'm sorry that my crib is kind of boring, but I'm working with it, you know what I mean? We got the lounge area over here, got the workspace over here. The coolest part of my living room is definitely this katana sword. I was so excited when I got it. I got the cat tree and the cat litter for my cat that is not here. Let's go to the bedroom. Bedroom is not that exciting, but y'all see the camcorder. Don't ask about the camcorder, but ladies, this is where the magic happens. This is my pet hamster. It literally spins on the wheel and does nothing else, but that's okay. The jacuzzi you could turn on, which is really cool. Let's leave it purple. This is my spa/bathroom. I really love how this turned out. With the walls and the pine flooring, it's so cute. So at first I got this standing toilet, but I was like, how am I gonna take my poops in there? And then I got this toilet, so I just, you know, it worked out. We do our laundry. How cute. And there's clothes in there. I didn't even notice that. Close that. Run the sink. So yeah, this is my little spa bathroom. So cute. And I can take a shower. This is my kitchen. I actually love how this turned out. It just goes. I don't know. Is it like boring to you guys? I don't know. I like how I put the pops of color in there between the knife stand, the knife rack, the dish rack, and the refrigerator, which you can see I slapped Pokemon in there. And yeah, I got these paintings on the back. So if you come upstairs, I made a game room. I made like a little arcade. I think it's kind of cool how it turned out. I love how I made like the Sailor Moon rug. And I put the paintings of all the Pokemon that I could find. So I thought that was a really cool feature that I added. Over here I got my dartboard, a little foosball table. And what does that say? Fight? Oh, what are we playing? Street Fighter? Hell yeah. Got a pinball machine. Another cat tree for the cat that is not here. A little TV where we could watch our Telemundos. Ooh, cooking. It's clearly a cooking show. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's really adorable. Like, we're watching a cooking show right now. I'm so fascinated. We're really watching a cooking show. And you know what? I'll sit here and watch it. Food Network. Alright, now if we go downstairs, I saved the best for last. I had to do it to him. I made an underground club. And this is my favorite part of the whole island. The entire island. Like, look at it. I got my little lounge area, got the bar, got the records on deck. Also, if you notice, I put my favorite DJ up there, put his records up there. Like, how cool was that? All right, guys, so you've seen the island, you've seen the crib. Now it's time for y'all to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down if you don't like it, simply because it's not a 5-star island. I don't know what to tell you. It's getting there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week.